Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to winterize your windows. This video will provide you with 5 measures to keep your home warm and cozy during the winter, and save on your utility bills. Keep watching to learn more. Weather stripping. You can winterize your windows by sealing them with strips of foam, rigid gaskets, or rubber tubing. These materials help to seal the gaps between the windows and their frames, effectively keeping out the cold air. Such weather stripping materials can fit into place using magnets, tension, or self-adhesive backings. While they are cheap and easy to apply, they may alter the outlook of your windows. Caulking. To prevent cold air from leaking into the house through the windows, seal the gaps along the exterior perimeter and the cracks between the wall and the interior trim with the caulk. You should note that you need to apply the caulk when the temperature is higher than 45 degrees Fahrenheit to get the best results. So this might not be the best method to winterize your windows immediately. Using draft snakes. This involves filling old socks, sweatpants, or long sleeves with dense materials, then laying them along the base of your windows. They help block out some of the cold air from outside, but don't provide an airtight seal. Since they're cheap and easy to apply and remove, you can use them temporarily as you look for a more effective solution. Use shrink wrap kits. You could purchase a shrink wrap kit at a home improvement store near you. Then use it to obtain an airtight seal for your windows during winter. Apply the double-sided tape on the window trim, and then cut a large piece of the plastic film and attach it to the tape. Shrink the plastic to the window with the heat from a hairdryer for a wrinkle-free look. This method is used alongside weather stripping and caulking to provide maximum insulation during the winter. Using window inserts. This is the most effective and preferred method of winterizing windows during the cold season. The window inserts are also called interior storm windows, are customized to fit your frames perfectly. They provide a near airtight seal that keeps the cold air out. They're easy to install and remove, and they also bar noise and harmful UV lights. So there you have it. You can enjoy a cozy and warm winter season in your favorite corner by winterizing your windows with these simple, affordable methods. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.